Hello, my name is Romain André, and I'm working for Dassault Systèmes, offering virtual twin solutions since 18 years now, to allow customers to create innovative new products and services using virtual experiences. And today I would like to share my experience working with companies, large or small, and even startups, on how to embark on your virtual twin journey. So we will use, during this presentation, a process of articulating why you have to start this virtual journey, how to succeed, and what is the solution. So let's start with why. Why do you want to start this journey? What is impacting you today? What are your business drivers? The industry trend impacting you today to change and to adopt this digitalization. What could be your benefits and objectives to adopt this virtual twin? So we'll focus on the why and especially on the industry trend called model-based system engineering. So we see more and more this trend on the market. So why we see that, how and what are the connections to succeed on this journey. So let's take a look at this major industry trend faced by companies today, especially from the following industries. So aerospace and defense, transportation and mobility, car, train, trucks, high-tech and industrial equipment. So initially, the industry focus was primarily on developing parts and components and mechanical assembly. Nowadays, we see a growing trend of integrating multiple engineering disciplines, such as electrical, electronics, software, to connect products and create systems. These systems even evolve into a system of systems when they are all interconnected. So products are transforming into smart and interconnected systems. The industry is no longer simply selling products. Instead, they are offering systems, products and services that collectively shape the overall human experience. So this represents a shift from selling products to providing a comprehensive experience. So if we take the example of the automotive industry, this transformation from mechanical system to multiple system is drastically increasing the integration of electronics, electrical, and software. So we see the number of electrical and electronics components rising, same as for the number of functions, interfaces, and requirements. So how to manage this complexity and still maintaining the program cost and schedule? It's an important challenge for the companies and as well for the ecosystem and value network. Typically, we see now the push of sub-assembly operation, design and manufacturing, into the value chain. This leads to a significant growth in program complexity. That's not only limited to the automotive industry, it's also valid for airplanes, ships, trains, trucks, mobile devices, home appliances, heavy machinery, etc. They are all following the same trend. So now let's move to the how, that we have seen the why with the industry trend, how to succeed, how to adapt to this impact. It's like going for a hike or a ski touring. You have a vision, you know where you want to go at the top of the mountains, but you have to plan ahead. It's important to be safe and to secure your achievement. So when you plan your path, the roadmap, where you want to stop. And then at every stop, you reassess the situation. You take advantage of the benefits of the view, for example, and then you continue your journey. So this is not to take the full journey at once, but to split it in small pieces to secure the benefits at every step. So think big, but start small. The same principle applies to a virtual twin experience project. You start by building your vision and taking the first step, addressing one need at a time. Identify the solution, deploy it, adopt it, and secure the associated benefits. Then, as you add the new needs and processes, you repeat the cycle. This progressive and iterative approach ensures you secure benefits at each milestone, ultimately constructing sustainable solutions. So now let's move to the what. What is the solution for your virtual twin? Specifically, let's explore the solution for model-based system engineering to be able to cover this system engineering approach and system of system. So the range of solutions for MBSE, so model-based system engineering, is quite extensive. So how do you determine what you need? So having connected your why with your how, you can pinpoint what your solution should be. This is what we refer to your benefits dependency network. It's a diagram illustrating cause and effect relationship. At Dassault Systèmes, we also refer to it as your value model. So it connects your objective, your benefits with your chosen solution. This understanding aids in evaluating the impact of your decision and prioritizing initiatives to secure your benefits. Now that you have the scope of your solution through the value model, you can prioritize your initiative to build a scalable approach. That's what we called a value roadmap at Dassault Systèmes. Here is a typical approach of adopting a model-based system engineering for companies having product engineering processes in place. So they grow from the project engineering processes to requirement and traceability. So this is to initiate the transformation for a multidisciplinary collaboration and avoid silos in the team. And then we move to the mechanical system engineering, so with the system architecture, and then we increase the number of disciplines that we can integrate. Then we can move to the lifecycle and governance, managing the project and the lifecycle of the system, the change management and the variant. And then at the end, we can move to the system of system approach. So this is a progressive approach and a scalable approach to model-based system engineering. So let's have a look at how Bosch Car Multimedia was adopting this approach. With model-based system engineering, based on the 3D Experience platform, they have enabled the development of a holistic solution and support their competitivity advantage. So their main business driver are the complexity of products development, the connectivity and new technology integration to be able to stay at the top of the competition and to move from a products to experience. And thanks to MBSE, they have achieved benefits such as eliminating the silos to increase productivity and to have a holistic approach integrating all disciplines and enabling a full information traceability. It's also a virtual simulation available at any step of this process to validate and to make some verification. Now, if you want to start this virtual journey, let's get in touch. I would be happy to help you. Thank you.